tell you, ain't nothing to it once you get the hang of it. Is that right, Mel?
Yep. Wait till the swelling goes out of my fingers. Yeah.
All right. Moving right along with this here show. Here's a little bluegrass song called Rolling in the Sweet Baby's Arms.
Comes back and roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll around the shack till the drink comes back. I'll roll in my sweet baby's arms. Friday night, while I was sitting in jail, walking the streets with another man who wouldn't even go my mile. Rolling my sweet baby's arms, rolling my sweet baby's arms, going round the shack till my drink is back. Rolling my sweet baby's arms. I wouldn't go there anymore. Holding my sweet baby's arms, holding my sweet baby's arms, holding around the shack till my drink is back. Holding my sweet baby's arms. Holding my sweet baby's arms. Sweet baby's arms, roll around the shack till my drink is back. Roll in my sweet baby's arms.
Thank you all. Orange Blossom Special. I thought nobody ever asked me to play that again as long as I live. All right, I'll give you a little Orange Blossom Special.
Just the last song we're going to do, so you might as well.
What the heck? For the gentlemen out there, the young gentlemen wants to hear this song called the OBS Orange Blossom Special. Kick me off there, son. There we go.
Do you now?
Yeah.
Now. Check. Put the limiter on, darn it. Well, that's going to be a real thing. Not quite. Not quite. Two. It's going to be real interesting. I don't have anybody here to watch it. Harv, could you do me a favor?
Shall I stay over here?
Well, if I can be with me, but
You think you guys handle this thing?
yeah, I'll just growl it. I'll do my Will Clausen.
Yeah. Here, get over there and I'll watch your saddle.
Around the red. If you just trim it down just a little bit. It should just kind of swing here. All right. Yeah, that. You're not going to can't worry about that. It's too low. You want to aim the mic. Check. Test. Test. Okay.
Plug your ears, folks. I ain't never seen that pistol. Outside. How you doing, partner? Good to see you. Hey! Joe! Blacksmith, come on out here. How you doing, son? It's all right, just horsing around. Hey!
Well, look what the wind blew in.
Yeah, it sure did, didn't it?
Yeah.
Now listen here, mister. I heard that you got a special. 4 horseshoes for the price of 2.
Well, I'm sorry, but you heard wrong. I think you've got your gun belt cinched just a tad too tight.
Nah, I don't think that's it. Now, come on. Can't you give a deal to an old friend?
An old friend?
Yeah.
You mean the old friend that jumped my old claim?
Yeah. Now, look here. I didn't jump your claim. I just kind of lived off the fat of the land.
Well, how'd you like to live off the fat of your lip?
Whoa. Hey, I could have shot you, you know. But a friend never would have done that.
You wouldn't have shot me. You couldn't hit the ground if you tripped.
Whoa, hey, whoa. Now, have you know, mister, that I can shoot better than Buffalo Bill?
Well, I got $40 as I can catch your bullet in my tongs here.
You gotta be kidding.
No, I ain't kidding. You just shoot and I'll catch it in my jaws. The jaws of my tongs, that is.
$40?
Yeah.
You're on.
Well, aim over here, Buffalo Bill.
All right, I sure will. What is this? The Cavalier's frog jumping contest? You owe me $40. No, wait a minute. This is some kind of trick. How do you do it?
Well, that's real easy, partner. You got, slow bullets.
Slow bullets?
Yep, folks, I need your help with this, if you'll help me out a little. Your bullets are so slow...
How slow are they?
...that even a child can catch them.
Oh,
yeah, how do you like
come
that
on.
one?
Do you think my bullets are slow?
Partner?
Do you think my bullets are slow? Yeah. Now, I know I ain't no genius, but my bullets are just fine, don't you think?
Oh, they're really on your side now.
You're gonna make a big fool of yourself now, mister.
Yeah, well, this big fool's willing to bet another $40 that Chris here and I can catch your slow bullet.
Is that right, Chris? You gonna catch my bullet?
Right here. Grab on there, Chris.
Oh, Chris, by the way, my bullets ain't slow.
Take it over there and open it up, Chris. All right, partner. Way to go. Way to go.
Well, I'll be hanged.
That could be a raise.
Hey!
What?
What are you doing?
No, it was
tricking me.
No.
Slow
Just
bullet
give me-
time.
No, I was
Let's
just-
see you catch
no,
this with your
you
hand.
stand there. Leave it alone.
Uh-oh. Got it in the beard.
I can really do it.
I thought that was some kind of trick. 2 times 40 is $80.
Yeah, $80 you owe me, cowboy.
Got $80? I gotta catch the stage.
Yeah, well, there's one leaving around the corner in about 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Be under it. Go on, get out of here.
That's all, folks. Thank you very much.
Hey! You bonehead! Yeah, I'm talking to you.
What do you want now?
I want that money you stole from me last night in the saloon.
I did not steal any money from you in the saloon. I won that money fair and square.
Oh, you're a liar and a cheat, mister. Hey. You make me so mad. I can't believe it.
You can't hit the broadside of a barn.
I don't know about that. Just as I thought. Should be out of shells by now. Watch out, don't shoot this innocent man here. What's wrong
I'm
with
aiming
you?
for your head.
Hey! What's wrong? You want to shoot this here man?
No, I ain't aiming for the guy in the white hat. I'm aiming for that guy.
Wait a minute. What are you doing shooting up the town? Now cut it out.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! 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 Hey! Cutie! Yeah, you! Let me make sure that there pistol's strapped on nice and tight. Uh-oh. I think she wants me to adjust her bullets.
Hey, but won't they explode?
Watch this. Well, hiya, sugar.
My name is Sure Shot Sue.
Excuse me, ma'am, but who shot Sue?
Not who shot, Sure Shot.
You shot Hey Harold. She shot Sue.
No,
Yeah.
no. My name is Sure Shot Sue.
Well, what kind of a name is that?
Well, it's better than Fumble Finger Fanny.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. Well, tell me there, Miss, Fanny Sue.
Sure Shot Sue.
Yeah, that's right, Miss Sure Shot Fanny.
Sure Shot Sue.
Just tell me now, how good are you?
Well, that just all depends
Depends on what?
on my target.
Your target. Well, I'll tell you there, Fanny, I don't think you can hit the broadside of a barn.
Are you challenging me to a duel, cowboy?
You got it, sister.
Oh, if that's what you want, baby, my name is Sure Shot Sue.
Oh, yeah, that's what I
All
want.
right, come on.
I mean, that's what we want.
You're in this by yourself, buddy. Bye
Get
now.
over here, Fred. That's it right there. Perfect.
Well, all right, but if she kills me, I'm never speaking to you again. No, this is not a good idea.
Do you want her to know you're yellow? Stop that. Now, what kind of man are you anyway?
A chicken, but a healthy one.
Anytime you're
fine.
ready.
Well, ain't it ladies first?
Not this time.
I hope you still learned your lesson.
Always wear clean underwear?
Yeah, now
Come
come
on.
on, get it.
Let's go, Fred. She shoots my pants off.
I'm going.
I'll be back.
You better hurry.
You able to watch the level? No? Oh, good. I didn't even know you were here.